Mr. Rock, next time send me Henny. As you can see, I'm wearing my ear speakers. Caron got no weird pod.
Watch Beenie and dance up like him glad. America! Take this tweezer and give me back my visa. Beenie danger left you cause you could not please her. Mr. Rock with love.
Youth, watch yourself, youth. When I wanna send a love to a man, youth, send me a visa. Rihanna! Warlord wanna play with you like a piano.
Hot me now go use me hammer.
Beenie!
Youth, look how me slim. I think you need to go to the gym.
Get rid of the belly!
Shot bossy head like coconut jelly.
Palm me silly. Wi-Fi now move lazy. After this promotion, they will have to pay me. And Eminem no slim shady. About to come on the stage with baby. Man a bad man's a winner for. Oh, sorry, I cannot say that. You mean to tell me I cannot say that? You mean to tell me I cannot say that?
Yeah, I never like that. That machine is something that never like it. See that? Come on, call.
Beenie, you reach home yet?
Yeah, Zara.
Yo, you tonight was epic, you.
Killer, me and a friend, killer. Killer, you start over machine, me and a
Beenie,
friend.
man, what you do? In your feelings, I want to you. Me don't tell you already. When me and you buck up on stage, a war. And in the real life, and me and you war.
Okay, and me for the bigger tune.
Don't play the bigger song, but guess what? My forward them bigger than for you. You know, see, not even Rihanna did see you.
Remember the police come here in killer. And me, Beenie man, can't dance out there, come back in the
Beenie, I never run me run. Me go get me gun.
Seriously?
Seriously, a blood clot. You see the belly the way you have in front of you. You need to take your diet seriously.
Killer, I was the man of the night, killer.
The whole night you mess up youth. You play all 3 songs one time. Youth, me and play song about I'm drinking rum and Red Bull. Youth a syrup sponsor the show. Man a big up Digicel, you come to about flow. Them slow.
One thing is still low, I'm hearing.
Beenie man dead. You better give me no argument. I'm out.
Fight! Somebody say Fight! Or hate me more.
This is King Bean Man. On the live. Yeah. Yo. Beanie Man's better still the show. Ding 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 ding.
Somebody said Bernie the king. I want a bumper clad named Bernie. Now I can't tell the American people living on my own. I disrespect the thing, my bumper class. Now what am I doing? What the fuck am I doing?
Do you want to be that guy? Do you want to be that guy? Listen.
When I see we winning, we winning, we winning right. Winning,